right, today's adventure is taking us on ATVs. We're gonna go out in the mud. That's why Carrie's got that lovely looking hairdo thing on, and we got things for our feet. There we go, so we don't get all muddy. So this is gonna be the best blast. We're looking forward to it. Yes.
Yeah, I think the place is very hygienic at
Yes,
That's White. You know, it's a really nice facility, and you wear these between this and your helmet. You wear the bags between your feet and the boots that they give you.
So it's going to get muddy, which is we're excited about. So we're going to take you on a great adventure doing the ATV through Bali. Who are you? What's your name?
Leva.
Leva. He's our guide today. Yeah. Alright, everybody say hi. Woo! That way? Okay. I think it's sort of like a little test run for us, for the group. See how everybody does. Okay, hold on. Here. Alright, getting ready to go through the tunnel. I have to take my glasses off here because I couldn't see nothing. Woo! Oh, man. Alright, gotta hit it a little bit harder this time. Here we go. Well, we had our first little mishap here, about 5 minutes into it, so we'll see how the rest of it goes. Thank you.
I can give you a bag.
Yeah, that's fine. I didn't really anticipate getting that wet, so I had to give the guy my backpack. I hit it. Carrie. Where you at, baby girl? Oh! Oh, man. Oh. We're hitting it again, so I'm not gonna do that again. Woo! Say hi, baby girl! Say hello! Hello! Yay! There goes Mama, burning up the corner. We got our other Romanian friend here in front of me, so letting them know we're going to visit their beautiful country here in June. So were you saying going around the corners you almost fell in the ditch? It was, and there were a few spots that can be a challenge because they had some really tight spots. So if you hit that gas a little bit and you're not really sure of your bearings, you can go in that channel. So just, be careful, take your time. But we had fun.
I hate it.
All right, so that's the end of our ATV adventure here in Bali. It was fun. We had a blast, got muddy, got wet, met some young folks from Romania, gonna be there in June. So we hope you liked it. Subscribe to our channel. And as always, keep dreaming, travel safe, even get muddy every once in a while. Bye.